Naganap ang pangalawang Senate hearing April 10, 2025 patungkol pa rin sa pagkakaaresto ng ICC o International Criminal Court kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Sa hearing, isang senador at dating PNP Chief Ronald Bato de la Rosa, kasama ang senadora na si Madam Amy Marcos at iba pang senador ng ating bansa. Nagbigay sila ng mga katanungan kina Director of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, Nicolas De Losa Torre III, at DOJ Secretary Jesus Remulla. Naging mainit at matensyon ang pag-uusap nila. Narito, panoorin po natin.
Of the higher authorities, I may not be privy to that information.
Okay, hanggang doon lang sa 250. Sino nagpadala sa kanya sa aeroplano? Nagpasakay sa aeroplano?
The order for me, sir, is to deliver him to the team that will deliver him to The Hague. And
Sinong team na yun?
Na-establish naman natin, sir, that it is done by the Interpol.
Interpol? Sinong Interpol doon? Sinong Interpol doon?
Si Ambassador Lacanilaw?
Si Lacanilaw nag-order sa'yo na isakay sa aeroplano?
Sir, I think we have already established. Yung order ko is for me to deliver him to the 250th wing and deliver him to the team.
Okay, nandun na siya sa 250 wing. Ngayon, pinilit mo siyang ilabas. Nakita ko pa yung matanda, humawak sa lamisa. Ayaw siya magpadala sa'yo. Ayaw niyang sumakay sa aeroplano. Sino nag-order sa'yo na isakay siya sa aeroplano? Sino nag-order sa'yo?
Can I defer the questions, sir? The answer to the questions to the SOJ. Considering
No,
that I have a team.
you're
of
the one
PGF.
there. Wala si SOJ doon. Ikaw ang nagkarga sa kanya sa aeroplano. Kaya tinatanong kita, who gave you the order?
Still, sir, I take my orders from the Chief of the Philippine National Police.
So, Chief PNP, you give the order to have former President Duterte board the plane?
Ma'am, I think that from the very beginning, the DOJ's advice was sought on every step of the way.
Yes, sir.
We gave the clearance to serve the warrant
Yes,
of
sir,
arrest.
I am asking them because they are on the ground. Sila ang nag-implement doon. Kaya, Chief PNP, you give the order to sa ADG?
The order of to the CID is really to assist the PCTC when it comes to arrest po.
So, sino nagbigay ng order kay General Torre na ipasakay sa aeroplano?
It's always the guidance that ang ano po namin is really to assist ang PCTC po.
Kaya nga, PCTC.
PCTC
Were you the
kaya.
one who ordered the boarding of President Duterte sa aeroplano?
Yes, General Alcantara, please.
Mr. Senator, Madam Chair, I've said from time to time that my mandate is to coordinate our law enforcement agencies to comply with the requirement of the Interpol.
Correct. I believe you, sir. Coordination ka lang.
Yes.
Coordination ka lang. Pero sinabi ni General Marvel na ikaw daw nag-order sa
That
kanya.
is the limit of my power.
Yeah. But according to General Marvel, ikaw daw nag-order sa
And
kanila
that is-
na isakay sa aeroplano si
And that
Pangulong
is the
Duterte.
limit also of my authority. That's my mandate.
To
My
have him.
mandate is to coordinate,
Coordinate.
disseminate.
So, for the record, hindi ka nagbigay ng order kay General Marvel na isakay siya sa aeroplano? Hindi. For the record.
For the record, I am not the authority to order the arrest, to order the
So just
boarding of the plane.
categorically, did you or did you not give the order to General Marvel?
No.
No. So, General Marvel, are you lying?
So I'm not lying, but I just want to have the executive privilege po regarding this matter. The
Ay,
separation matter.
nandito na tayo eh. Executive privilege ka dyan.
Bakit naging executive privilege?
Kanina
bigla?
sinabi mo, PCTC ang nagbigay ng order. Ngayon, mag-executive privilege ka.
Sino-sino na tinuro mo?
That's why we didn't want to
Executive
attend the last
privilege.
hearing because this is what we were expecting, ma'am. We don't want to be bullied. into a
No,
position.
we're not bullying you, sir.
Nobody's bullying.
We're not
I
bullying
think
you,
that
sir. We're not bullying you, sir.
you're trying to make people admit something that they will not admit. And
No,
executive
we're
privilege
trying
is a
to
valid
derive
excuse
information.
not to answer any question.
Secretary
President
Remulla.
Duterte is already at the Hague.
Tapos na
We're
ang
asking kung sino nagpadala doon sa kanya.
Sino na
Yun ang
order?
tanong
We're
natin.
trying to understand every step of
As
the
I said
way.
earlier, everything was cleared with the DOJ.
We are not bullying you, sir. Ha? We want the truth.
That's why
At yan pa rin ang balitang tinututukan nating mga nakararami. Manatiling updated kahit nasa abroad po tayo. Mag-subscribe na. Maraming salamat po.